Welcome back to my channel, Trash to Teach.
Your AI Assistant, Beyond ChatGPT 2025 Guide. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something that's going to completely change how you think about AI assistants. Here's a question for you. Are you tired of just talking to your AI? You ask ChatGPT a question, it gives you an answer, and then, what? You copy-paste it somewhere else. You switch tabs. You lose your train of thought. Sound familiar? Now, imagine this instead. An AI that doesn't just answer questions, but anticipates your needs. One that organizes your entire workflow, helps you learn new skills faster, and actually integrates with your life instead of living in a separate chat window. That's not science fiction, that's 2025. And by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how to build your own personalized AI assistant that goes light years beyond what basic ChatGPT can do. We're talking about AI that remembers your preferences and learns from every interaction, connects to your actual tools and workflows, proactively suggests improvements to your work, helps you automate repetitive tasks, and becomes a genuine productivity multiplier. If you're ready to stop using AI like it's 2023 and start leveraging it like the power tool it really is, hit that like button and let's get started. Section 1. The Chatbot Ceiling. All right, let's be honest about where most people are with AI right now. ChatGPT exploded onto the scene, and it's amazing. I'm not here to bash ChatGPT at all. It's a revolutionary tool. But here's the thing. Most people are using it at about 10% of what's actually possible with AI assistants today. The 3 big limitations. Let me break down the 3 major limitations that are holding you back right now. First, the conversational barrier. ChatGPT and similar tools are essentially very smart chat boxes. You type something in, they respond. That's powerful for brainstorming or getting quick answers. But think about what happens next. Let's say you ask ChatGPT to help you write an email. It generates something great. Now you have to copy the text. Open your email client. Paste it in. Maybe make some edits. Find the recipient's contact. Send it. That's 5 extra steps. And if you realize you need a follow-up or want to revise something, you're switching back and forth constantly. Second, the personalization gap. Every time you start a new chat with ChatGPT, it's like meeting someone for the first time. It doesn't remember that you're a marketing manager who prefers casual tone in emails. It doesn't know you're learning Python and struggling with async functions. It doesn't remember your writing style or your company's terminology. Generic AI gives you generic answers, and generic answers mean more work for you to customize and adapt everything to your actual needs. Third, the context switching problem. Here's what a typical knowledge worker's day looks like now. Email inbox, project management tool, calendar, note-taking app, spreadsheets, research browsers, ChatGPT, and another tab. You're constantly jumping between applications. Each jump breaks your flow state. Each context switch costs you time and mental energy. Studies show that it takes an average of 23 minutes to fully refocus after a distraction. If you're switching context 20 times a day, and most of us are, that's massive productivity loss. The real promise of AI isn't just answering questions, it's becoming the connective tissue between all these tools, reducing friction, maintaining context, and actually assisting you in your work, not just responding when you remember to ask it something. Section 2. What makes a true AI assistant? So what separates a chatbot from a true AI assistant? I've identified 5 key pillars that transform AI from a tool you use occasionally into a genuine Copilot for your work and life. Pillar 1. Persistent memory and context. A real AI assistant remembers, not just within a single conversation, but across weeks, months, and years. Imagine an AI that knows your professional background and expertise, your current projects and their status, your communication preferences, your learning goals and progress, your personal productivity patterns. This isn't about creepy surveillance. It's about reducing repetitive explanations. When your AI assistant already knows your context, every interaction becomes more efficient and more relevant. For instance, I set up my AI assistant with information about my YouTube channel strategy. Now, every time I brainstorm video ideas, it automatically considers what's performed well historically, my target audience demographics, my content gaps, my production capacity. I don't have to re explain my channel every single time. That's the power of persistent context. Pillar 2: Integration and Automation. Here's where things get really exciting. True AI assistants don't just live in a chat window, they connect to your actual tools. We're talking about AI that can read and write to your Google Docs or Notion, manage your calendar and schedule meetings, search through your emails and files, update your project management boards, pull data from your spreadsheets, even control your smart home devices. The technical term for this is tool use or function calling, and it's what transforms AI from reactive to proactive. Let me show you a simple example. I've set up an automation where new emails arrive in my inbox, AI categorizes them by urgency, and topic routine inquiries get automatic draft responses. Important items get added to my task manager. I receive a daily summary of what needs my attention. I went from spending 90 minutes a day on email to about 30 minutes. That's an hour of reclaimed time every single day. Pillar 3: Proactive Intelligence. Here's a mindset shift. Your AI shouldn't wait for you to ask questions. It should actively help you. Think about the difference between reactive. ChatGPT, summarize this article. Proactive. Your AI notices you've been researching a topic, automatically compiles relevant information, identifies knowledge gaps, and suggests next steps. The best AI assistants monitor your workflows and surface insights without being prompted. Pillar 4: Learning and Adaptation. Every interaction should make your AI assistant better at helping you specifically. This means learning your writing style and preferences, recognizing patterns in your work, adapting suggestions based on what you actually use, getting better at predicting what you need. It's the difference between a tool and a true assistant, one that grows with you. Pillar 5: Multimodal Understanding. We don't just work with text. We use images and diagrams, voice and audio videos and presentations, code and data documents, and PDFs. A complete AI assistant needs to work with all these formats seamlessly. Upload a screenshot, describe what you need, and get actionable help. That's the standard we should expect. Section 3: Personalization and your AI brain. Now let's talk about how to actually build this personalized AI system. This is where theory meets practice. The foundation: your AI's knowledge base. Think of this as creating a second brain that's accessible via AI. Here's my framework: pyramid diagram of AI. Layer 1: core identity and preferences. Who you are professionally, your communication style, your values and priorities, your typical goals and constraints. Layer 2: domain expertise, industry knowledge, technical skills, specialized vocabulary, common tasks and workflows. Layer 3: active projects and context, current work initiatives, ongoing learning goals, recent challenges, short-term priorities. Layer 4: reference materials, templates, you use past successful work, documentation and guides, research and resources, practical implementation. Let me show you how I've set this up personally. Option 1: Custom GPTs in ChatGPT. Plus. If you're using ChatGPT Plus, you can create custom GPTs that include detailed instructions about your preferences, uploaded documents with your information, specific capabilities and tools, conversation starters for common tasks. I have separate custom GPTs for content creation and scripting, code development and debugging, research and analysis, email and communication, learning and studying. Option 2: Claude Projects. Claude by Anthropic offers projects, which is incredibly powerful for maintaining context. I organize mine by major work areas, specific clients or initiatives, learning tracks, personal projects. Each project maintains its own knowledge base and conversation history. Option 3: Fully integrated systems. For advanced users, you can build fully custom solutions using APIs from OpenAI, Anthropic, or Google integration platforms like Zapier or Make.com, custom applications or browser extensions, vector databases for long-term memory. This is more technical, but it gives you complete control over how your AI assistant works and what it can access. The personalization process. Here's my step-by-step method for personalizing any AI assistant. Create a comprehensive document that includes professional background and expertise, current role and responsibilities, typical tasks and workflows, preferences for communication and output, examples of your past work, goals, and challenges. Step 2. Iterative refinement. Use your AI assistant regularly and pay attention to when it misunderstands your intent, when responses don't match your style, when it lacks necessary context, when it produces something unexpectedly good, then update your knowledge base accordingly. Step 3. Template building. Create reusable templates for common tasks, email response frameworks, meeting preparation outlines, research synthesis formats, creative brainstorming structures. Your AI can then fill these templates with specific content for each situation. The more you invest in this personalization upfront, the more time you save with every subsequent interaction. Section 4. Practical applications. Theory is great, but let's see this in action. I'm going to walk you through real scenarios where an AI assistant goes beyond simple chat. Application 1. The Learning Accelerator. Let's say you're learning a new programming language, Spanish, or really any skill. Traditional approach with ChatGPT: ask isolated questions, get answers, forget to review, no progress tracking. Start over next time. AI assistant approach creates a personalized curriculum, tracks what you've learned, generates practice exercises at your level, reviews previous mistakes, adapts difficulty automatically, sends you daily practice prompts. I'm currently learning data science, and my AI assistant maintains notes on concepts I understand versus struggle with, generates custom coding challenges, explains things using examples from my field, reviews my solutions, and provides detailed feedback, suggests resources based on my learning style. It's like having a personal tutor who remembers every lesson. Application 2. The Research Synthesizer. Research is incredibly time-consuming. Let me show you how AI assistance transforms this. Old way, Google search. Open 15 tabs, read each article, take notes manually. Try to synthesize later, lose track of sources. AI assistant way. Feed it research questions or topics. It searches, reads, and summarizes multiple sources, identifies key themes and contradictions, creates a synthesized document with citations, highlights knowledge gaps, suggests follow-up research directions. Imagine your morning routine. Without AI assistant, check emails manually, review calendar, update task list, read news, plan your day, 60+ minutes of admin work. With AI assistant, AI has already processed emails overnight, flagged urgent items, blocked calendar time for deep work, created prioritized task list, compiled relevant news briefing, generated your daily plan. You review and approve in 10 minutes. Finally, let's talk about creativity, because AI isn't just for productivity. Whether you're writing fiction, designing graphics, composing music, developing games, creating art, a personalized AI assistant becomes a true collaborator because it understands your creative vision and style, offers suggestions without being prescriptive, helps you break through creative blocks, provides technical execution support, iterates rapidly on ideas. Section 5. The 2025 Landscape. We've covered what's possible today, but let's look at where this is all heading. We're in late 2025, and the AI landscape is evolving incredibly fast. Current state of AI assistants: ChatGPT, OpenAI. Most popular custom GPTs for personalization: GPT-4 and o1 models. Growing plugin ecosystem. Voice mode improvements: Claude, Anthropic. Excellent for long-form content. Projects for context management. Strong reasoning abilities. Newer but growing fast. Gemini, Google. Deep. Google Workspace integration. Multimodal capabilities. Access to Google Search and data enterprise features. Copilot, Microsoft. Integrated into Microsoft 365 Windows OS integration, Edge browser integration, enterprise focus, and there are dozens of specialized AI assistants for specific industries or tasks. 1. Ambient AI is moving from applications you open to intelligence that's always available in your environment. Think OS level integration. Always listening assistants with privacy controls, contextual assistants without being invoked too. Multi-agent systems. Instead of one AI doing everything, we're seeing specialized AI agents that collaborate. Research agent finds information, writing agent creates content, editor agent refines output, publishing agent handles distribution, each specialized, all coordinated. 3. Personal AI models. We're moving toward AI models that are actually trained on your data, locally and privately. Your writing style, your knowledge base, your decision-making patterns, your preferences, not just instructed, but actually learned. 4. Deeper integration. AI is becoming embedded in everything. Your email client, your word processor, your spreadsheets, your browser, your operating system, less context switching, more seamless assistance. 5. Proactive AI. The shift from reactive to proactive. AI that surfaces information before you ask suggestions that improve your work automatically. Predictive assistance based on your patterns. Here's the reality. AI assistance is becoming a differentiator. The gap between people who effectively leverage AI and those who don't is widening rapidly. We're talking about 2 to 5 times productivity improvements, faster skill acquisition, better work quality, more time for creative and strategic thinking. This isn't hype. These are measurable outcomes people are experiencing right now. But here's the catch. Most people are still using AI like it's a fancy search engine. They're missing 90% of the value.